Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review about these Matchbox Moving parts that I found a couple of weeks ago. Starting with the 1995 Volkswagen Golf MK3, and I was curious if there is some stuff in the back. Yeah, you can't see it when it's in the package. So let's open it up, but before we do that, we have a look at the package. Nice picture, some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. I'm not going to destroy the package because I would like to put the car back inside after I make a good photo, of course. Is it possible to do it like this? Yes, that's possible. And then I can slice it out. Okay, we can push it from this side out of the package. It feels pretty heavy, I have to say. Wheels, yeah, they are okay. A little bit too much inside the wheel case. Let's switch to another. Oh, we also have a license plate. I like that. Thank you very much, Matchbox. Yeah, two exhaust right here. It's not that I have that it says, hey, this is the back of a Volkswagen Golf MK3. But maybe that's me. From the side, it's definitely MK3. Also nice painted front lights, logo. Yeah, steering wheel. Matchbox should do something about that. That's definitely not necessary. And molded windscreen wiper on the back. And in the front, side mirrors, that's a good thing. Thought it had suspension, but no. Then we have a plastic base with some information. And now, yes, there is stuff in the back. I like that. And I've heard there is also a version with no stuff in the back. And I'm curious if that version has a picture with no stuff in the back. Okay, but overall I'm pretty happy with this model. I'm definitely going to make a nice photo with it. Let's go to the next one. I think this is my favorite of these four. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Also nice package, nice picture. And you can see the opening part right here. You want to see the barcode article number? Yep, it's right here. And I can slice it back out. Oh, nice wheels. Yep. Oh yes, I like it. This one is definitely my favorite. Yep. This is all plastic. They should make a premium version with, yeah, metal. This is metal. And with an opening part in the back and here on the side. Okay, how do we do that? It's not that easy. Ah, there we go. Here we can see the inside. Camper trailer. Let's switch to detail mode. Well, the other one was better, right? Still learning to use the new camera I have. Well, it's pretty good actually. Interior also, I like the yellow glass. I know that a couple of you are no fan of that, but I have to say I like it. Base also good, plastic base with some details. Yeah, I like it. And I like the fact that there is no gap in here. Really well done. So it is possible. Alright, but take some special technique to get it out. Yeah, really cool van. Absolutely my favorite from these four so far. Okay, here we got the Taycan GTS Sport Turismo. Yeah, I'm a Porsche fan, and that's the reason I bought it. There we go. So we push it out. Here it is, nice Matchbox wheels. Opening door right here. And I think if you have an opening door, you should also have a great looking steering wheel interior. But they have to work on that. They probably have their reason for it. But I can't think about a reason except for the one lower production cost. But I would pay a couple cent more. Yeah, doors are closing good. No license plate in the back. Meh, don't like that. License plate makes a car realistic. Okay, then the last one. Yeah, I have a weakness for these kind of vans, and yeah, also these ones. Heavy casting this. Also big, I like it, wow. Okay, let's open it up. The Nissan Townstar. New for 2024. Barcode article number. Push it out. Matchbox dry cleaners, now 5 locations. Cloth makes for toy life. What's it say? Diecast collectors save 20%. They always have some funny text on the side. That's what I like about these vans. Dry cleaning, laundry, free pickup and delivery. Diecast collectors save 20%. But what does it say here on the side? Tidy clothes makes for a tidy life. Okay. And here the same text. Diecast collector save 20%. Open, blah, blah, blah. Tiny clothes makes, yeah, same. This should be the opening part. Does it have an opening part on both sides? And how it will open? Oh my God. Should be open like this. Ah, there we go. Yeah, and the other side also should open. Cool that both sides can open. There we go. Yep, both sides can open. Yeah, love this one. Very cool. Okay, doors are a little bit loose. Will they close again? Yeah. No problem at all. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know, what is your favorite? The Nissan, the Mercedes, the Golf, or the Porsche? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Have a good day. Bye.